Hey guys, it's Jessie. Welcome to another Scrubby Sunday. Scrubby Sunday started with Heather at Strings and Threads. She started knitting and crocheting washcloths to practice some of her stitches. And the American Starfish organization reached out to her and asked if she would be willing to donate some of her washcloths to homeless veterans. And of course, Heather was all for it, and she also reached out to the community to see if they would be willing to help make some washcloths to also donate. And there are a lot of people participating, which is pretty exciting. So if you are interested at all in donating, I'm going to have all the details below in the description on how you can do that and where to send your washcloths. And the American Starfish, they make tiny homes in these little communities for the homeless veterans to help them get back on their feet. So they are in need of washcloths. So it's a pretty great cause. I'm pretty excited to be making these washcloths. Okay, so this week I ended up knitting another washcloth. Last week, if you watched my video, this was my first knitted washcloth that I made. And I actually made these. I only have two knitting needle, no, I have three, but two of them are the same size. But this is what I knitted this one on. It's a size 5. And then this week I decided I had these were my first ever knitting needles, and they are Clover 6.5 millimeter. So I used these to make my next knitted washcloth, which ended up being pretty big, and it's not perfect, but I don't know, it's pretty big. Now you can tell, so this first one, my tension was really tight. And then I thought, okay, I need to loosen up my tension when I knit. So I tried this one, and I think I made it maybe a little too loose. Some of the holes are really big. Anyway, there's some mistakes, but I still like that one too. And then I made, next one was this. All the yarn for all the washcloths this week I used Lily's Sugar and Cream. This was a sage color, and I do not recall what this color is. It's just something I had in my stash. I think it might be called Sunrise or Sunset or something like that. And I used the Suzette stitch for this. I really like that stitch. I love how it works out. This washcloth reminds me of like a vintage colors, vintage washcloth, something like that. I really like it. So that was my second one. And I only made one more. I didn't have a lot of time this week to make any, and when I knit, I'm not used to using those muscles in my hands because knitting is a little different than crochet, so my hands have been pretty sore this week. I'm not a very fast knitter, so that's why this week I only have 3, and I was busy. There we are. This is my last one. I just finished weaving in the ends today for this one. I don't remember the names of all the colors. Sorry guys, I forgot to write it down. But yeah, this one though is made in the mini bean stitch, and I'm forgetting the pattern I used. I forgot to write that down too, but I will put the pattern for it in the description below. The other 2 washcloths, I did. The knit one was, I think, grandmother's favorite dishcloth, and I will link that below. This one here, I did not follow a pattern. I just did the Suzette stitch. And for this one, I followed a pattern, so I'm going to link that one below too. I really love this, one of my favorite stitches also. I have so many, but the mini bean stitch or Elizabeth stitch, very nice. I just love how that works up. Alright, this is going to be a pretty short video, but that is what I made this week. I am excited to make some more this coming week. I'm not sure how many I will get done, but I will do what I can. I am in the middle of making a washcloth right now with the moss stitch because I also love that stitch. And I'm trying to use up my yarn stash that I currently have. I have so much Lily Sugar and Cream, but it's really hard not to go out and buy some more, like more I Love This Cotton or something softer. So again, all the details will be below in the description. If you are interested in knitting or crocheting some washcloths to send into the American Starfish. And just to let everyone know, I do have a giveaway going on right now. It will be going on until Saturday, August 19th, I believe. And so just look on my channel for that video. It has all the details in there on how to enter. And I'm pretty excited that I'm over 100 subscribers now. Thank you all for watching my videos and for hanging out with me. I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next time. Take care.